Hi there, I'd like to show you how to make fractions with Cuisenaire rods. Let's say you wanted to make a half. You'd make it with a 2 on the bottom and a 1 on the top. So you've got a 1 for the numerator and a 2 for the denominator. 1 out of 2. And you can see that there's a half the amount of white as there is red. Now, if you wanted to make an equivalent fraction, say you wanted to make something that was the same as a half, but had, say, a 4 on the bottom, so 1/2 equals something with a 4 for the denominator, what you would do is you would look at that a half and you'd say, right, I want something bigger but the same shape, and you'd make that by putting 2 halves together so that it's still got a half the amount of white as it has red, but now you've got 4 on the bottom and 2 on the top. So that's how you make equivalent fractions with Cuisenaire rods. You take the fraction that you've made and you make it lots of times and you put them together, and it's a bit like having the same shape but scaling it up a bit. So put the 2 in. A half is the same as 2/4. 1 out of 2 is the same as having 2 out of 4. The same fraction of the white compared to the red. So I'll show you some more of these. You quite often get worksheets in which you have like 2/3 equals something over 9, something like that. And then you would make lots of this 2/3 fraction with the Cuisenaire rods, with a 2 on the top and a 3 on the bottom. So you're going to need a few of those, because you make them out of these. The equivalent fractions are made out of the fraction. And we want something that has 9 on the bottom. So what you would do is you would take 2 of these, put them together. Nope, that's not 9. Get another one. Aha, here we go. We have 9 for the denominator. And we can put the 6 on the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hey. Okay, let's... got all sorts of rubbish here. Let's make some more. Put this under here. Let's say we had 2/5. And we actually wanted there to be a 4 on the top. How could we change 2/5 into something that has 4 on the top? If we didn't have the Cuisenaire rods, you'd be thinking, okay, what did I do to the numerator? I multiplied it by 2. I better do the same to the denominator, multiply it by 2 and get the 10. In fact, teachers quite often do this. They do times 2, a little arrow, times 2, a little arrow, and making that a 10. So if you were doing it the normal way, that's how you would do it. But we're going to do it by making these 2/5. Can make quite a few of them. And we want a 10 on the bottom. Oh, no, we want a 4 on the bottom, on the top. We're trying to find out what's on the bottom. So you would take 2 of them, put them together, and you'd see it was a 10. 10 on the bottom. So let's do another one. Let's do 1/4. What could that be the same as? Could be the same as something with let's let's see, with 8 on the bottom. You would normally do this thinking multiply by 2, but we're going to do it by making the 1/4, or 1 and a 4, and then making another 1/4 and putting them together to make 2 8s. Just put that in. So this is I think they look lovely. that's why I like them, really. So here we have 1/4 with the 1 on the top and the 4 on the bottom, and here we have 2 8s, which is the same fraction of white compared to the purple, and it's still, even though it's 2 8s, it's still 1/4. Thanks for watching. Bye.